Hi guys, I thought it was about time that I shared with you my moon gazing hares. I went away to Oxford for a week with my mum in a caravan, and believe me, we had every type of weather you could imagine. It was pretty chilly. I've even got a photograph of snow falling on the campsite. But that aside, we had a thoroughly wonderful time. We saw lots of churches, we walked pretty much all the time, and we done a workshop. And these are, I've learned, these are my dry felting, these are my moon gazing hares, and I've got a sheep in there as well. But admittedly, one thing I don't have a talent for is apparently dry felting. I thoroughly, as I said, thoroughly enjoyed it, and I had this lovely workshop by this young lady called Gilly Trafford, and no disrespect to her teaching, my examples of moon gazing hares are something to be desired. So I was going to say, I did my best. I didn't find myself immediately sort of like, well, I'd like to turn around and say that I think I've got a moon gazing pig, to be perfectly honest. And it wasn't for Gilly's instruction. It really was something that was a little bit tricky and difficult for me. And not only did I make one weird looking hare, I went on and attempted to make a little one. I certainly gave all the ladies a wonderful giggle. I won't deny that. And I mean, I'm proud of what I achieved. I won't deny that. But at the end of the day, mine did not look like the example that was given to us. And I've kept the original one that I shared with you in my last video. This is, I mean, a lovely felted hair, as you can see, and you can see this is by a lady called Yasmin Taz, and you can see she's certainly got a talent for it. I went on not only to do these moon gazing hares, I then went on to make a sheep, and yeah, again, this young chap has got much to be desired. But I mean, I've got the principle. We've got four legs. We've got some sheepy style felt on the top, and I mean, he's got a couple of ears and an eye. He's got some beads in there. But all in all, that was how I spent my 2 days workshop in Oxford. I mean, if you have no idea how dry felting roughly works, you are working with literally a roll of felt, and you are using a needle, and you are continuously punching this needle up and down and beginning to felt your items. And dare I say it, this is my daughter's attempt at a few ears with the felt that I had at home, and then you slowly felt all these items together. So all in all, that was my experience whilst I was in Oxford. I will bring you an update on my journaling from that particular week away. But for the moment, I just wanted to share with you, these are my moon gazing hares. And as I said, thank you, Gilly, for teaching us. But admittedly, she done a wonderful job. I just struggled to actually get these actually out and done. Anyway, guys, I'll catch up with you soon. Bye bye.